This is the Math for Health Careers How to Do Homework and Tests video. I'm going to go ahead over to the course menu and click on the Homework and Tests button. That will bring up what's available for my homework at this time. We see that MathXL orientation homework is available. I can click on that link. And I see here a list of questions. I see a green check on question 6. That shows I've already started the homework and I've gotten question 6 correct. So I go ahead and start and click on question 1 link. Across the top you see buttons listed showing the questions, and that is a way to navigate through them. You also see that question 6 has a green check by it showing it's correct. Let's pick question 3. It says, click the square near each correct choice to fill it in. Be sure to mark all correct answers. Which of the following mathematical statements are true? Select all that apply. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 does equal 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Now, 2 minus 2 does not equal 1, but we're going to go ahead and click that, and we know the last one's incorrect, so we'll leave it blank. So I can go ahead and check my answer, and this gives me a response saying, sorry, that's not correct, and it gives me a tip on how to answer the question. So I can go back, and I can clear all those, and I can select the correct answers. Now I'm going to check my answer. Gives me a reply. Nice work. So I can hop around and do different questions. Here's a graphing question. It says, plot the point -4, 6 located at the red X on the graph to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my point and drag it over to -4, 6. Notice the ordered pair values change as I plot my point. And then I can check my answer, and again I get a response of well done. What this orientation homework is going to show you is how to use the MathXL tools to do your homework. Now again, we see green checks on number 3, number 6, and number 7. So I can go ahead and save what I've done and come back later when I want to work on my homework again. And same for tests. Remember, tests you can take twice for each test. It's the final exam that you can only take once, and it must be proctored. Now, let's go back to the course homepage, and another way to get to the different homework assignments is you can go into upcoming assignments and you see a link to that same homework assignment, or you can go up to your blue circle for what's available, and again you see that same link for that homework assignment. Let's use the direct link under upcoming assignments to go back to our MathXL orientation homework. And let's just pick a question link for one that we haven't done. Over here on the left, you see the math palette. When you need to use the math palette, it will be available and not shaded out as it is here. If you haven't watched the video on how to enter answers related to the math palette, you can do that here under this link, How to Enter Answers. This concludes the How to Do Homework and Tests video. Please contact your instructor if you have any questions.